Oh man, I feel my hair tingling.
Wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They wanna see me grow. They hate on low. They hate on low. They hate on low.
Hey man, look. So I just got off from work and I was thinking about this. I looked at my hand. I was like, damn, Ash. So I grabbed the lotion, P, right? Grab the lotion, you feel me? Shout out to Jergens, man. I feel like this some of the best lotion in the world. But look, I grabbed the lotion and then I started reading it. It was like repair, 48-hour moisturizer. You know, that moisturizer caught my attention. So I was like, man, dang. Look, I'm gonna put it in my head. You feel me? I'm gonna wash my hair anyway. I'm gonna put it in my head and see how it turn out. You feel me? I don't recommend you doing this. But let me experiment and show y'all what would happen if you put lotion in your head. The video gonna be kind of crazy. I normally don't do crazy. I'll take that back. I do crazy stuff. But yeah, man, we're gonna pipe up and we're gonna see what how the Jergen gonna have my hair. If it do good, I might just start using the Jergen. You feel me?
Stop it. Get some help.
But I hope I don't mess up my way, man. Let's get into it. Alright, so look, man, look. Let's grab the Jergens. Got the Jergens. Gonna see what it do. I don't know if I'm gonna spray it in my hand or I might just spray it in the head. So y'all know I'm really using Jergens. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking about it. Let me make sure this don't say.
3 hours later. Many hours later.
Hold on, bro. Say it got alcohol in it. Oh man, I'm kind of scared. Forget it, man. I'm gonna do it anyway, man. I hope it don't burn my scalp. Oh, I hope my hair don't. It got some words in here that make me think like, dang, I hope my hair don't fall out. I ain't gonna keep it in that long though, man. I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. Should I comb my hair first? Nah, it say got alcohol in it though. Oh man, what should I do? Ooh. Nah, forget it, man. Let's get it, man. Alright, man. Let's run to it, man. I'm gonna put the Jergens in my head. Boop, boop, boop. We're gonna brush it in, rag up, and we're gonna wait about a couple hours.
Oh, hell no!
I don't know, man. I'm just ready to go and get it over with. So that's the plan. If I be bald head after this, it's y'all fault, man. So let's get it, man. Let's see what the first squirt. I mean, let's see what it's gonna do, man. First squirt. Oh man, hold up. Dang. I don't feel too bad. It rub in smooth though. Come on, a little bit closer. It rubbing in smooth though.
Gay!
Oh man. Oh man. I can't believe I'm doing this, my boy. I can't even believe. Oh. Oh, no, this going cold. Oh man. Y'all don't trip, man. Don't trip. It is wash day today, so it's coming out today. So hopefully I don't damage. See? Oh, this ain't too bad. When I brush it in, it disappears. light of that. Stop. I probably OD'd on the lotion, man. I OD'd on the top, man. Let's see if I can lay it down. That brush is not working. I done messed up my wave, man. It making my hair real frizzy. I'm gonna have to hurry up and rag up, cause this ain't gonna work. I'm gonna have to hurry up and rag up, man. Let's see if I can. I wanna see how it's gonna look, but it making my hair real frizzy. I think I messed up my wave, but it's gonna look crazy. They're gonna look crazy, man. I feel my hair tingling. My hair, I'm gonna wait about 30 minutes. I'm gonna try to wait about 30 minutes, man. I'll show y'all the result. I hope my hair don't fall out, bro. Like, I can't believe I did it, man. I ain't gonna let y'all wait the whole 30 minutes, man. When I do this, the next scene gonna be ready for the unrag, man. So y'all get ready for it, man. Let's go.
3,000 years later.
Alright, man, look. It's been about 30-35 minutes. I probably did it too long. Man, come on, man. Let's get into it, man. Let's hurry up and unwrap, man. Cause my scalp's still tingling a little bit. So let's get it. Looking like, look at the top of my jump. I'm still wavy though. Let me see. It don't look like that coming out. I can tell my jump was frizzy. I'm looking at it. I do not, hear me out now. I do not recommend you using Jergens for your waves, man. I'm about to go watch this out right now. But if you find this video a little entertaining, man, just a little bit, hey, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video. Comment Jergens down below to let me know you made it to the end of the video.
Just wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They wanna see me grow. They hate on low. They hate on low. They hate on low.